When a first tone is followed by a second tone, foreigners have a tendency to lower the first tone. Practice the following.
早起，滚水，拄好，总统，鸟仔，果子，海水，好歹，冷水，冷线，洗手，鸟鼠，起痟，小狗。
When a second tone is followed by a first tone, foreigners tend to lower the first tone.
汽车，发音，圣经，做衫，种花，拜三，灶骹，透风，四箍，四千，爬山，厝边，战争，寄批。